For those of you that don't know, I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee. What I have in my hot little hands here is a flat pack grill. When I'm out ripping around on my motorcycle, tent camping, I'll use this thing very frequently. Not only is it a grill, it doubles as a fire pit. I love this thing. Unfortunately, I'm not out traveling right now, but I wanted to do an experiment. Can I cook a pizza on this flat pack grill?
Drop off up here. Careful.
I'm going to try using this little grate in my flat pack grill today because it always seems like it doesn't get enough air. The wood will actually go out and you'll have like wood in here that's not burned up, and it should burn down to ash. So we'll see how this does. Hopefully this will provide more air. It should get it from right under here, but maybe it'll allow it to go through there a little better. Getting down to coals, but it's still really hot, so I'm gonna let it get a little bit cooled off, let it burn a little bit more. Still some wood in there that could burn down.
Ooh.
Made a mistake, the coals got too cool, so I'm just gonna put some sticks in there, get it going. I'm gonna sit this right on the fire. Hopefully it'll work. We'll see. The pizza dough is actually rising now that I got a little bit of heat on there. The fire is still slow, but there's actually a little fire under there, and the dough is starting to rise, so we might be able to salvage this pizza. So let's take a peek. Look at that. Looks good. I'm going to flip it. We'll put toppings on it. Another way to regulate that fire, I guess, would be to spray a little water on it, slow it down. We may have to do that. We'll do that with the sauce. Maybe a little more sauce. I guess we'll calm this fire down a little bit. That'll slow it down. In the end, it didn't turn out too bad. I'm gonna try it, see what it tastes like. Had a little problem, it started getting a little crusty under here, so I wanted to slow it down. Still not bad, I don't think it's ruined or anything like that. Moment of truth. Not bad. Have you ever seen any cooking shows where they say it's nasty after they get done cooking it? Me either. But, actually not bad. I guess be better doing this in like a Dutch oven or something, maybe, where you could heat the top to melt the cheese. I'm happy with the way it turned out, but I'll tell you this. If I was out camping somewhere, it'd have been a lot bigger disaster than this. I was able to move the coals around and stuff to make things work out for me. this was quite the juggling act. To get everything in order and worked out. Here we go. There's your close-up view of my little pizza. Well, I need to keep working on this and improve it, you know. Got to figure out the right temperatures, what to do. It's tricky. It's just tricky on this little flat pack grill. Pretty good though. Well, that was a fun little experiment. What did I learn? I learned it's going to be pretty tough to cook a pizza on a flat pack grill, especially if you're out camping. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.